In this video, I am going to show you how to download and install Perplexity Comet Browser. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to perplexity.ai/comet. The website will automatically detect whether you are using Windows or Mac. Click the download button. Once the file finishes downloading, open the installer. If you are on Mac, drag the Comet app into your Applications folder when prompted. If you are on Windows, run the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After installation, open Comet and sign in with your Perplexity account. This will unlock AI-powered features like Perplexity Search, built-in ad blocking, and smart browsing tools. Comet works on modern Windows and Mac systems and Android devices. It updates automatically when you relaunch the browser. There is currently no native Linux version available. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.